All right, so we're back after I ate pizza. Looks delicious right now, and we have NJ Transit buses, and I'm going to continue rail fanning at Hoboken Terminal to see some locomotives of the Jersey Transit and see the view of New York City. But first, let's go see the view of New York City. I'll take a close from this station. Right there, there's a NABI bus built in 2008. Almost 16 years old.
Everyone wants to see the fireworks.
Oh, let's see by the train station. Oh my God, we have too many people who want to see the fireworks for tonight. All right, so we're back in Hoboken Station again. It's just after I ate pizza. A few trains out there for tonight. See the fireworks show. Like it's 101st annual last fireworks, but it got canceled. But here it is. Enjoy. All right there, you can see there's the fireworks right there. Oh, we didn't see it now. We're too far away from here, from Hoboken Station. See some fireworks right there over like 1,000 feet away from here. But we're approximately supposed to be here. And could be the 101st annual Loud's Fireworks Stars here, but it's too far away from us. I'm gonna wait when the fireworks here starts. Then we can start.
The 101st annual Loud's Fireworks will be started in just about 20 minutes, everyone. So we are just a few minutes away from the 101st annual Loud's Fireworks. I hope everyone will have a great fireworks show in Hoboken. Right, Ginger and Angela, you're excited?
Oh my God, I'm really excited about this, Ben. Tom is in the studio for this because he's currently joined us here in the studio here at Loud's Fireworks here at the RV's car trailer. And I heard fireworks over there, and I'm really excited about this, Angela. And as you may look live here in Hoboken, New Jersey, some people are waiting for the 101st annual Loud's Fireworks. Also includes Seaside Heights. People joined watching fireworks for last year. Are you guys ready? And as you may see live from News Shopper 7, look, all these fireworks are getting really good color right now. And the Empire State Building, good news, started to get clouds of red, white, and blue. And all other buildings started red, white, and blue in New York City. Wow.
So let's back to our studio a little bit. So me, Angela, and Ginger are having fun out there with the Loud's Fireworks. So Talking Tom is staying in the studio right now, so he'll be joining us here in a moment. and look at here the plane sound. Tom, I can hear